Are we ready? Yes?
Yes.
We are?
Yes.
How many people do we have on? Oh, this is not a live. Sorry. All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it. So I'm going to dive right into it. We're going to talk about this recent release of the Optimus Prime with the trailer. This is the missing link, C-01 missing link, and pretty much what it's doing is it's replicating the original G1, first generation, or generation 1, I think is what they were called. So let's open it up. I'm curious to see what it looks like. How easy is it to transform, or how difficult? But we'll go from there. So without further ado, now it comes in inside another black box. I should have brought one, but we can transform it out of the box. There we go.
Drop something.
All right, so it's out. So in the back of the box, it gives you ideas of how to transform the trailer. So let's see everything that comes in there. This popped out. So this is it looks like the little car from Space Mountain. You ever get on Space Mountain? It looks like the little car from Space Mountain.
It does.
Right? So then it's got some other little things on there. We'll take those out. Then I guess this is the Allspark. I don't know.
Stop moving so much. Chill. Relax.
I know, I guess I've had too much coffee. Well, I haven't had any coffee. I only had 4 cups. So it's just transforming. It's got the nice little gun. The famous gun from Optimus. Oh, wow. So I guess these are the tires. We have to build it. Let's see, just try to snap one in real quick here. Yeah. Oh, all right. Then it's got this little, oh, it's the axe. I wonder what it goes, or what it attaches to the gun. Here are the instructions, which I will have to probably read. Missiles. Interesting. There's nothing else in here? No, there isn't. So we'll put this down there. Okay, so let's do the easy stuff. It does hook on. It's pretty tight. Now I never had the G1 Optimus Prime, because it was either Star Wars, Battlestar, or this, and the reality is when these came out, I was in a different stage of my life. So my brother, I think he had one. I think Stevie did have one of these. I don't know. I'll have to ask him. So let's look at the trailer first. Let's see. I just hope I don't break it. All right, so this comes out. Oh, I'm a talking trailer. Okay, that's not it, right? I'm gonna wind up breaking this. Let's see. Okay, there's the ramp. Oh, there's something inside.
What?
The face you make.
What face did I make?
Oh. Okay. All right. All right. Oh wow! Check. Oh, okay, so this here is to stabilize it, so it doesn't flip.
Keep up.
Is that better? So this here, these that move, you have to swing them out when you pop the trailer open so it'll stabilize. I did not know that. And then this guy here, just, I wonder if he pops out. Does it? I don't think so, right? I don't want to break it. If you let us know in the comments, I would prefer that because I do not want to break this toy. Yeah, we'll do that later. So he comes in for an oil change. Then he leaves. You know what? I remember the old ones. I do remember this because we had a couple of, and we still have a G1, but it's not the Optimus. It's also a semi, but it's the other one. I forget what it is called. It's a white one that we have there. The stickers, you had to apply them yourself. It doesn't have, so here I see that the stickers are on there. I wonder if there's any stickers in here. Ultra Magnus, yeah, that's it. That's the one. So we have the original Ultra Magnus. Oh, wow. So there are more stickers if you want to add more stickers. Check this out. So with this, oh, it goes from Japanese to Spanish. Seriously, look. No, it doesn't. This here, this will just tell you the strength of. See there. You don't see anything, and I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you see a graph. It'll tell you the strength of Optimus. Now let's see if we put it over here, and it gives you the instructions down in Spanish. See that? Okay, so then that's it. That's so much for that. So yes, you do have instructions in here. Well, no, I'm not reading because I cannot read. Or what is it, Mandarin?
Is it from China or Japan?
Japan, so it's Japanese. Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't even know where to start. I can read Takara Tomy. So, but it's got some good illustrations to show you how to do the transform. But I don't want to mess with that too much. Then you've got another little catalog. You've got a little convoy card. Okay, so we're done with that. So there's that. I'm not gonna take too much time on putting this guy together. But my question is, where does this go? So this, we'll figure out where this goes because I don't see anywhere. And I've never, the only Transformer I ever had that I got to transform really easily was Millennium Falcon that would transform into a robot. Those were pretty cool. So this is going to be really a test for me on how to transform this. So I just want to start. Ay. Wow. This is like a Rubik's Cube. Oh, okay. Well, it's got for the legs, which I love, because that means it's not gonna get all loosey-goosey right away. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's, flip it out. See, these are all even, see this here? You don't have to put decals on this. It's already painted. So that's pretty cool. And there you go. No, right? It's not it. This has got to come out somehow. Okay. Something is not wanting to release. Oh, there we go. That's probably not how you are supposed to do it, but the arms are out. It looks like
Cool.
he looks like he's got a cover over his head. Ooh. Okay, now I see the yeah. Yes, thank you. Let's see. Okay, that just comes out like that. Is that it? So there you go. It's got the arms. It's got some movement. See, all of them click.
That's cool.
That is, I like that because I don't think the old ones or the G1s would do that. Now, I love the fact that a lot of these decals are already set, so it just makes it look even cleaner, crisp, nice and neat. It seems to have die cast parts in it because it is heavy. For the size, it's got some good weight to it. Look, what do you think?
Oh yeah.
It's not bad, right? So
I think it's just gonna be all plastic.
I thought so too, but even the cab is die cast. So this is definitely an improvement from the G1. Back then they were all plastic. Still, I wouldn't mess around with it too much. Then the tires are rubber tires, so it gives it a nicer look too. I wonder if you can open. Oh, you can. So this. All right. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna figure out. Oh, there it is.
Mm.
You can open the cab. This goes in there. This shuts down. Boom. Now he's got that spark inside
Cool.
it. Then for the hand. So that's. Yep, that's it. So see that little. It's got that little round peg. You slide it into the hand like that. Close this.
Oh, cool.
So now he's got the. And on this one, you can put the gun in there. You can close a fist. So here he comes, man, charging. And he stands pretty good. Here comes Optimus Prime after you. That's not bad.
That's pretty cool.
Now I'm thinking these here are the missiles that will go in here. And I noticed that right now. Oh, wow. Yep. Do they fire? I guess they do. Wow, I didn't think they would do those kind of. So then obviously this is not for little kids. Watch, let's do it again. So the little retractors right here, I push it right here and it goes wink. So it's got nice little features. There's another little gun. Uh-oh, watch the stand behind you. So it does have a nice lot of little gadgets and accessories, and then when you're done, you can just pop this all in here. I was wondering why that thing was like that. So you can even have the gun, the ship. Wow, it's completely. Oh wow. Close that up. Not bad. Price point. It is a little pricey, but It does have die-cast parts to it. It does a great replication of the G1, the original one. Those, I mean, if you want to get one of those, you definitely don't want to mess around with it. And plus, they're really expensive. So, as an alternative, this would be a great option. Kind of bring back that nostalgia from the 80s. I like it. But as you can see, this is a Jada one. This does not transform. So the size difference, right? But this is more of the original. So tell us what you think. If you've got one, are you thinking of getting one? And what improvements we can do with our transformation from the truck to the robot. So thanks for joining us. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do so. And also be sure to follow us on Instagram at docs.unique.collectibles. So thank you for your time. You guys take care, and we'll see you soon.